Hi, this is John with WTI. And while I'm on the go, I always try to keep with my kid a good option of toothpaste. And this is where this Colgate Optic White comes into place. And one of the things that I like the most about this toothpaste is how easy and gentle it feels. Sometimes toothpaste could be too minty or you feel too much of the ingredients. This is soft, but at the same time, it's powerful. So I always try to keep my tooth running out smooth, looking nice, and I drink a lot of coffee. So sometimes you could get a little bit of stains of the coffee or anything that you're eating, and it actually stains your tooth. So your teeth. But having the option with this Colgate, it just works like wonders. It's great. It's not too hard on the feeling, and it just does the job of keeping your tooth stain free in my experience. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.